Alright, forgive me guys, I don't really feel like vlogging today, so the clips in the car are probably going to be really short. I'm just here to tell you that I just took a catering order and made 25 bucks. So yeah, get fucked. Smaller tips. Yeah!
Yeah, because I think I just redid mine, it was toward the end of the year. I forgot when they're supposed to be due.
This year, first week I had.
Is that what it is? Okay. I guess my CPA's taking care of all that. I don't know. All I know is it was taken care of, I think. Now how do I make sure everything's up and good for mine? Okay.
Fucking ADD, Jesus.
Alright.
What do you think, Zozo? What do you think?
Okay. Signing up for whatever I can come up with.
Whoa! Awesome! She's like, God damn it, I want to get up there, God damn it. Alright, I'm gonna be quiet. I don't want to disrupt my dad's conversation. This is all obligatory cat footage.
Oh yeah,
Kitten
for sure.
footage.
Absolutely. Alrighty.
The camera.
Oh yeah.
Oh god.
Right.
You don't even know what you're doing. Oh, this is gonna be a good shot. So is this thing living here?
Stay broken, I don't know.
And what's its name?
Cocina.
I know.
And for those who don't speak any other language than English, what does that mean?
No, a lot of that is because they did new construction.
Guess.
I don't think they should have the same name in a different language. That's so stupid.
It was Dennis's idea, and I think it's brilliant.
So we're gonna call her Coco apparently, like Cocina, but Coco. Anyway, it's too hard to follow this cat.
Yeah.
One of these cats is gonna die in the next 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Wow. That's not right. Oh wow.
Zoe. Oh my god.
Alright.
Oh my god.
She don't.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
She's like, what? Alright guys, I want to show you part of the new song that I'm writing for me and Yuki. I only spent like a couple hours on this, but I'm gonna awkwardly film the screen and let you guys listen to it. So yeah, this is the part where we're singing. This is the verse. We're just supposed to be singing over this. I haven't actually decided anything about vocal melodies, but I think this is pretty cool. And that's like mainly what I'm going for is like cool factor, because writing pop for me is really hard because like I like writing pretty stuff, like really ambient stuff, or stuff that I think is pretty anyway. But yeah, like pop music has to be cool and catchy and all this shit, and it's really hard for me to do. But I'm gonna keep working at it. I think that song is a pretty good start, and I can't wait for Yuki to hear it. I think he's gonna come over later. Right now I am trying to find the small cat. I think its name is Coco. I think that's what we decided. Hopefully these dogs haven't eaten it, and I just, you know, sort of let them do it.